school band. I know one day I'll see them all again. Nobody can fly me back, 2009. Thinking that by now surely cars will fly. Would not believe my eyes if I could see my life. Sometimes I just wanna rewind. One day that I can see them again. My hometown colors don't seem to fit. My parents moved out of where we used to live. I don't know where the last 13 years I've been hiding. But my memory carded, see what is safe for me. I miss my Game Boy Color and my high school friends. I hope one day that I can see them again. My hometown colors don't seem to fit. My parents moved out of where we used to live. I've been